Number 19. The table shown summarizes the number of employees at each of the 17 restaurants in a town. Which of the following could be the median number of employees for the restaurants in this town? They're testing our knowledge of what median is for a data set. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms, I'm not writing the number 1 5 times, I'm just saying if I have 5 terms, the median would be the term that is physically in the middle. So there's 2 terms, it's physically in the middle. That's the median. It doesn't mean it's the average. It doesn't mean, because you could have like 1, 1, 1, 8, 23. 1's the median because it's the number that's physically in the middle of that list. So if you have an odd number of terms, there will be a number that is precisely in the middle. If it was an even number of terms in the data set, let's say 1, 2, 4, 10, you're like, wait, there's not a number that's physically in the middle. What do? You take the 2 numbers that are closest to that middle point and you average them. So here it'd be 2 plus 4 is 6, divided by 2 is 3, so the median would be 3. Now in this data set, we're told that there are 17 restaurants in a town. So there is going to be a median. Well, if it's 17, you go down 1, and that tells you, and you divide that by 2, and that tells you how many numbers are on each side and which number is in the middle. So if there's 17, you go down by 1, that would be 16. Divide that by 2, and that means there's 8 restaurants on this side, 8 restaurants on this side, 1 in the middle. 8 plus 1 plus 8 is 17. That's just a little methodology. You know, if it makes more sense for you to go like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, do that, that's fine. You know, we want you to get the answer right. That's the most important thing. The method is not as important. We want things that are fast, but we also want things that you understand and you'll get correct. Okay, so there's going to be 8 on the left, 8 on the right, 1 in the middle. So it will be the 9th restaurant if I'm counting out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 in the middle is number 9. Then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so the 9th restaurant. Where in this list of restaurants would the 9th one be? Because we're starting here and we're going forward. Because we'd be writing the number of employees. So let's say if I had, for instance, I'm just going to do the spaces like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay? And it's telling us, and let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the one we want. Okay, the median. It's telling us that there were 2 restaurants that had employees between 2 and 7. So this restaurant, the employees are going to be from 2 to 7. This one, they're going to be from 2 to 7. Then it says there's 4 restaurants that had 8 to 13. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4, they were between 8 and 13 restaurants. Then it says there's 2 restaurants that were 14 to 19. So he said 1, 2 restaurants had between 14 and 19. Then it says there were 7 restaurants that had between 20 and 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 restaurants had between 20 and 25. And then finally, there were 2 restaurants that had between 26 and 31. Well, our median right here is firmly in the 20 to 25 category. So that's the only possible number of employees could be. It has to be between 20 and 25. So I look at my options here, 2, 9, 15, and 21. The only one of those options that fits in this 20 to 25 is D, 21. That could be the median number of employees. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com, and if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.